guys, Stephanie here. So this is going to be an unboxing of a mystery design kit by the Softflex company. They sent me this really nice kit, mystery kit. They're always mystery kits. You never know what's inside of them until you open them up. And this one is called Peace and Love. And it retails for $33.95. And it's a different kit every month with a different theme every month. They always include such really nice pieces, right? For you to make several pieces of jewelry if you want to, And really all you need is your tools. You can always add your own spin on it, okay? So this is a mystery design kit. And here's the website where you can order, softflexcompany.com. And they have a phone number that you can, call if you need to. So you can definitely order these from the website. And they always put a little insert in here as to what is included in the kit. And I believe, like if you order one, you end up getting a $5 off coupon for the next one. So, yeah. And then you can definitely follow them on YouTube and Facebook for additional design inspiration. They always have really great live YouTube videos weekly, I believe, that you can check out to get, some ideas for new designs and everything, okay? So this is a mystery kit, and we don't know what it is until it's revealed, all right? And they sell out pretty fast, usually, so you might want to, as soon as you see the video, go to the website and order. And, yeah, grab you a kit. This one's called Peace and Love, I believe. Yes, it's Peace and Love. That's the name of it. And they're, like I said, they have a different name and a different theme every month. And so let's go ahead and open it. I did open it for time. And it always comes wrapped really nice. Okay, so you don't know what's in here. And this is what's in here. Look at all the goodies. So we have plenty of items to use, right? For different fun things. Okay, let's keep that. All right, so let's go ahead and open our little goodie bag here. I call it a goodie bag, but it's a kit. And only thing you're going to need really for this, you can just use your tools. Okay, so you get multiple strands of beads. Okay, you get your metallic. This is a metallic flex wire medium. And it says an antique brass color. So that's the color it comes in for this month. Really nice. And it says knot tying stainless steel nylon coated. Okay, that's cool. All right, very nice. So you're getting that. You can make your necklaces and earrings and bracelets and whatever else you want to make. And you have your findings. So let's go over what's in the kit here. Now, I think I put it's out of order here. I pulled it out of order. So you get the beading wire. You get the crimp tubes, which are here. Okay. For multiple pieces. You get silver plated ear wires with ball, which are there. You're getting a lobster claw. Yeah. So, and then you get the charm, which is also listed on here. All right. And yeah, that's the lobster claw there. So then you're getting the peach. This one's a peach metallic check glass fire polish rounds. Okay. You're getting the charm, the Dove charm. Jesse James bead mix. Okay, which is this one. Really cool. Beautiful colors. Wow, love these colors. Look at that. Beautiful colors. And some more findings inside of there. Spacers and all kinds of fun things. All right. And then, let's see, the bead mix. Rose check glass pips, which are probably these. You get the hot pink faceted check glass rounds. You get the orange swirl faceted check glass barrels. That's a barrel bead, which is really pretty. Hold them up so you can see them. Really pretty. Okay. Focus. And it's the hot pink faceted rounds. And then you get the black and blue pearl check glass beads. And they have like an iridescent quality to them. So really, really nice. All right, let's look at these. Really pretty. And these are cute. So make some cute earrings, I think. So yeah, now this is the kit. Okay, so now in the next video, I am going to make a project or two with the items that you see here from the kit. And really all you need is your tools. And again, you can always add some other items that you may have to this, but I'm just going to try to work with what was sent in the kit. All right. So again, if you want this kit, go ahead and go to the softflexcompany.com. It retails for $33.95 and it should be available, but they do sell out quickly. So, I guess it's while supplies last. And of course, you can always order another one of their kits in the future because they all the kits are great. They always come with lots of beads and findings and all kinds of stuff. You can probably make you know 3 to 5 pieces of jewelry if you wanted to. With everything here. All right, so check them out, and all the links will be down in the description to their YouTube, their Facebook page. They have really good YouTube live videos, y'all. Where you can learn different design elements and get inspiration. So check their YouTube channel out, and I will put the link down in the description, and their Facebook group. So go ahead and check that out, and I will see you in the next video with some projects we're going to do. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you then. Ciao.